Kwame. Father, but I don't know why. Coffee, are
Jarabu.
this is an boss again.
Said your children.
Can I mention ATM? Na ATM, and yet, mammy. No, see, Eddie.
Not dreaming.
Eh, what are you channel?
Greater glory, grace. What an adventure. Please, I don't understand that language.
Ah, just a professional TV.
I want you to speak English. Can you speak local language?
Ah, me too. I'm not from the Ghana. I am
English.
from the
Kumasi English. English is what I mean.
Master, you are beat my son with this thing and it's crying like a goat.
You put it on the right path.
Now ATM.
Yes.
And you tell me na
That is too local.
And you tell me na
It's too local. ATM is an abbreviation. We have it as automated teller machine.
Fi ajakare me jai tie.
Automated teller machine.
And you tell you go Madrid. ATM and you
That is into football. You are too local.
oh just only me bia wan.
Exactly.
AAS I say this side.
It is a local one.
What say it is a local Antaraba store who AAS Antaraba store. How can I have me ba no say no?
I wanted to put it on the correct one. I told you, always never sit to your father. Sit to your brothers and sisters.
Me travel what?